how to add vertical scrolling text in a video using VN Video Editor, explained from the very beginning. First of all, you need to open the VN application, then click on New Project, and after that, select any video from here. For example, I'll select this video from here, and then we need to click Next from here. Now, what do you need to do here? Now, look here, we have an option called Tap to add subtitle. You need to click on it, then click on Text here, and from here, you can select any option you want. Add heading, add subheading, or add a little bit of body text. You can do any of these from here. I'll choose this option from here. Now here, you need to write your text. It can be any text you want. Just type whatever you need here. Here, I'll write subscribe for more here. Videos like 10. Now, I'll correct the spelling of like here. Now let's mark this as done. First, you need to take this text from where you want your video to start and drag it to that point. After moving it from the start to that spot, click on the keyframe. Then, adjust it according to your video. Once you've moved it to the desired point, you need to move this text like this, and after adjusting it as you want, just leave it there. Now, play the video and see that the moving text has been applied here. In this way, you can add vertical scrolling text. And that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.